Discoveries at the Gray Fossil Site are constantly taking place, with most of the news coming from the uncovering of animal fossils of all types. But recently, two varieties of extinct plants are making news in Gray. And this morning, we want to welcome Dr. Elizabeth Hermsen to Daytime to share with us more about these new discoveries. Dr. Hermsen, thank you for taking some time with us today.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
Let's talk about these two discoveries. Kind of give us an overview of what has been discovered with these two new these extinct plants, two new varieties that are new to science.
Okay, well, I guess that the results of each of the studies is a little bit different. One of these plants appears to be a completely extinct group or genus that hasn't been discovered anywhere else before. So we know that it's a flowering plant, but we don't really know how it's related to modern flowering plants. So we've given it a new name, and we just don't know much about it. The other genus is Coralopsis. The common name for this genus is winter hazel, and this is something that occurs today in Asia, but it does have a fossil record in North America. And this is the youngest fossil of this particular type of plant that's been found in North America.
How exciting is it for you and your team there to make discoveries like this?
It is exciting. I've been to Gray a number of times now, and there's a huge collection of fruits and seeds. So going through there and looking at what the staff and volunteers at Gray Fossil Site have excavated and sorted is always interesting. It's like a treasure hunt. You never know what you're going to find.
I like that. It's almost like the Forrest Gump line of it's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to find. But in this case, how important is this discovery into us getting a better knowledge of what prehistoric plants were, and especially here in our area in Northeast Tennessee, things that were then are no longer with us here. It's important to make these discoveries, isn't it?
Yes, it's important for our understanding of how the plants or the vegetation in eastern North America have evolved. And Gray is especially important. It's a relatively young site, paleontologically speaking, so a little bit less than 5 million years old is the current estimate. And there aren't a lot of sites of this age in the eastern North American region that yield fossil plants. And it's also really relatively isolated compared to sites of similar age. So we don't actually have a lot of data from this time period in the Appalachian region. So anything we find tells us something that we really didn't know. It helps us fill in gaps in our knowledge.
Are you thinking that maybe you're going to find other plant species that may have been extinct around here at the Gray Fossil Site, or are you continuing to investigate what's going on there?
So I'm continuing investigations. The last time that I was there, I did find some interesting things that I may want to study in the future. Right now, I'm actually working on a new project from Gray that are seeds of a plant known as the passion flower. And passion flowers still do occur in North America, but they themselves have a very poor fossil record. So I'm very excited about these seeds.
Do you ever foresee, like, that you were talking about the winter hazel plant, could that make a comeback at some point here? I know you said it was in Asia. Could it make a comeback here in Northeast Tennessee? Could it survive, do you think?
My understanding is that winter hazel is planted as an ornamental. I don't know if it could survive without, I guess, human cultivation at this point, perhaps. But certainly the environment might support this plant today.
All right. I love the fact that new discoveries are coming out of the Gray Fossil Site all the time. Dr. Elizabeth Hermsen, thank you so much for taking some time with us to explain these great new fossil finds there right here in our backyard.
Thank you for inviting me.
All right, Dr. Elizabeth Hermsen. It is the Gray Fossil Site. We got some information for you on the screen right there. They're making discoveries all the time.